guys, today I will show you where we are and we're in a resort swimming. Okay guys, let me show you all around in this resort. You can tell we're in the bank bed. This Gerard. Yeah, let's go down.
I'm wearing my hand somewhere.
So, you go first. Okay, go down. Nakapagbidik ka na.
This is our private resort.
Uwi na ka?
Dito muna kami, dito kami tulog.
Mami! Dito kami tulog si Mami.
This is your...
Okay. We're not gonna show the people. This is the restroom.
No, we're not gonna go home.
I don't want to go home.
Why don't you check out Karen? Because the viewers could visit so long.
This Karen?
The OG.
Lumabas, lumabas. Huwag kayo lumabas. Dito lang kayo. Dito. Dahil na kayo.
Bro, we cannot go outside.
Let's go outside.
Go outside. Close the door. Hey! There's a dog. Now let's go downstairs. Come here.
And you guys have a little dog like this one, very scary dog, and very cute bumper.
I'm not gonna record anybody's face. We're not allowed to record faces.
That is also one of the OGs. You should,
Go down.
oh, we should check this spot first.
Yeah, this is the pool.
You're not allowed to get sassy in our videos, okay?
Oh, we should do this in the third floor because it's much more viewed. Let's go in the wait. Let me just show them this.
Okay. Now, dear Gala, it's not a house. It's a private.
There's yeah, this is a private.
And you know what's cooler? Want to get wet by?
Stop, Jared. Not allowed that. There's even a machine here. When I got a googly eye here.
Run! There's a puppy! Puppy!
Let's go.
Okay, this is a shotgun hat.
This one.
Oh, let me check out.
There's a massage chair and
vending machine. Somehow
this is not a Super Mario Nintendo.
And there's also that thing again.
PKS
Oh,
Resort.
let's check out these toys.
And there's toys here.
And you can tell, look at the view right here.
Yeah, look at the table. Look at the view when you're sitting right
And
over
there's also
here.
a forest fire right there.
I'm gonna. There's no forest fire.
Okay,
And
guys,
you see,
it's time to go to
there's a
the
letter mark there. This is the view.
resort.
Let's go down.
Resort.
PKS Resort, bro. I will try to sit. I will sit you guys there.
It doesn't work. Look at that.
Do you like it, guys? We need to put money in there to work, but I'm still gonna sit to relax, even it's not working.
Is it kind of working?
Stop! Don't do that. You're gonna break it.
Okay,
This is a chilling thing. Oh, this is very soft. Oh, this is very soft. Gerard! Gerard, this is so soft. Hey, bro, come here. Let's go down now. In the stairs. What? No, because so many people in there. I heard it. Let's go to the down floor. I can show you guys any of the people. Wait, there's a candy. No one's here. Yeah, no one's here. Good things, no one's here.
make a watermelon. I can't even.
Stop.
I love watermelons. And this is sprinkling.
Yeah.
One of you guys to get water?
Stop. The phone will break.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some.
We just swim this kanina, but there's no more people, so we stop swimming. Let's go upstairs. Gerard. Let's go.
Oh, dirty. Dirty ball.
No, that's dirty.
Why?
That's dirty. No.
No.
Look at this vending machine, guys. This one is working, which the one is not working.
This. This.
Which is
Mommy.
wait, something's in it. And I just got a googly eye inside here. I kept telling you guys because that's cool. Oh my god. This thing fell. What's this? Insert news. New 5 peso coin. Oh, we need 5 pesos. Hey, here.
Oh.
Yeah,
Mommy,
and I just got 2 shoot there and Gerard is 1 shoot. Look at this beautiful resort.
Wow.
So cool.
Not dirty.
Yeah, and that bad view. And this is the good view. Wait, let me show you guys the good view of this. Yeah, much more good. This is so soft. Gerard! That thing is so soft. Like the softest thing I've ever lay on. That thing is softest.
Oh my god.
And this is your view.
Comment down below and you wanna update on the Cecil because they have grown massive.
Yeah, very very massive. This is our and in the if I'm gonna show you the Cecil, that's gonna be our last video. If I show you the Cecil, but today is not the last still. If we show you the Cecil, that is the last one. So we're just enjoying in our resort because the Cecil will be our last video because we have work, busy, and always separated to not make video. And we have a lot of things, and we think we're never gonna make it because we never change our subscriber, always 3, and I think we're not gonna make it. So if we're adults, that's where we're gonna be a YouTuber, we think. So that's what we're gonna do. So this is our view. Okay, guys, this is our end of the video. Subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell button for more. Hit the bell button for
You
to
want
see
more
our
videos?
yeah.
Comment down below.
So
and
guys,
you want- and
bye bye.
comment down below and you love us.
Yeah, see you later. Peace. It's not working, guys. Oh no, guys, the camera's not turning off. Wait, what? We're gonna go home?